Hey guys, what's up? It's Chase Your Dreams for Chasing Your Dreams 101 here. And today I'm going to be broadcasting a storm. It is May 11th, 2014, 7:56 p.m. I recently, just like not even 5 minutes ago, made a video for this, but I lost connection because the power keeps going out everywhere. So sorry if I keep losing these, but until then, let's go watch some lightning. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hold my window open with one hand. It's not like 1/3 as bad as what it was like 10 minutes ago when I was recording. I had like 8 minutes going, but yeah, it disconnected. So I hope it gets more bad again, or it gets worse again, so you guys can see. Rain was coming from every direction, blowing off of the shed roof into our house. We had to like hold the door shut with like 200 pounds. As you can imagine, our house isn't very sturdy, and there are windows everywhere. Oh, and don't mind this dark thing, that's just my torn curtain. Alright guys, nothing that dramatic is happening yet, but I'm gonna wait a couple minutes. It might get really intense. And we keep getting phone calls about the weather too, and like people calling to see if we're okay, which I guess I can see why they worried, because there was like a couple of tornadoes in Nebraska, I guess, or just the circulation was dropping down like everywhere. We haven't had a tornado here in like 17 or more years, I think, because I never seen one in real life before. But yeah, they always seem to go right around us. So I kind of hope that's what happens here, but then again, I don't really know. I guess that'd be kind of cool to see one. So I guess we'll just have to see what happens. But until then, I don't know. Let's take a tour of my room, which isn't that much. Okay, so obviously I used to be a Hot Wheels maniac, but now I haven't bought any new ones in a long time. I recently got this Excalibur sword from a thrift shop for like, for real, $1, because it reminded me of RuneScape from the good old days in like 2009. So yeah, I thought that'd be pretty cool to buy. I got this really cool picture frame, which is just a random object. I think it's a flower made up of arrows. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I bought it for like $5 like 10 years ago, but my mom used to work at Goodwill. I have Adam's Family. I hope you guys remember that. And last year in the business, I made this for my own business because I was like really into like being all like wearing skinny jeans, and I think most people go in that phase, even if it's just for like a couple days. Over here, my closet, nothing much, just where I keep stuff when I don't have really any space left over. Uh, the shelf used to be my TV, but I watch all my movies online now and everything, so I moved my huge ass TV downstairs, got the shelf to put my books on, and my radio. That wall clock I just got that like a week ago for the newest and probably one of the last additions to my room. Over here, art stuff, that was from first term, I think, which was like from August to November last year. Yeah, my rough draft of a rose from last year, and then my final one from first term, which obviously is that one. It says "Till death do we part." And yeah, I've invested a lot of money into my room, and of course, hope. Hold on, pain. And then up here, I just have all my random model cars, old bottles. Like, I have a Coca-Cola bottle. Then back there is the Millennium Budweiser bottle, which you can't really see from here. But 1 second, I'll go get it. If I can balance my webcam. Okay. Okay, here, see? Budweiser, Millennium, and I think this was from like 1999 or somewhere around in a couple years of the time I was born, because I was born in summer 1997, so it was probably from somewhere around there. And of course, you can't forget the Coca-Cola stuff, which is always of a value of like a crap ton. There's this, and it comes with a little bottle too, which is kind of hard to lose. So, I mean, it's kind of hard not to lose, so I always keep it in this really old box that it came in. I got this for like $10 or $15. Oh yeah. I also used to collect coins too. Like these pennies from like 1935 and 2000 Denver quarter set. $1 million bill. And no, it's not real, because if it was real, I would have a lot of better recording software. I would have editing software. Fuck, I would probably have my own house. Here's 1896 penny. That's something I'll be showing my kids, because by then they'll be like, fuck, I don't even know. And there's just a bunch of coins from different countries, which no, I haven't been to. I've been in the Midwestern United States for my whole entire life. But sooner or later, I hope to venture out to, I don't know. I just hope I can go somewhere that's out of the Midwest, I guess. Some of the places I would want to go would be to Pennsylvania, California, New York, all the places that people outside of the United States want to go, like Las Vegas, and I don't know. You name a place, I'll most likely go there. But for the most part, the storm pretty much stopped, which could be a good thing or a bad thing, which no one really knows. So I guess we'll have to find out. But now I'm really into like just talking nonstop, so You guys, I hope you guys follow along for the whole thing, because this is the longest video that I've ever made. When I get more content ideas, there's going to be a lot more, but for now, it's just like a tour of my room. But holy crap, guys. Have you ever had this crap? That crap, oh my god, I could drink all of that. Well, I did actually, but you know, I could have it as like a daily drink. And can't forget good old Michael Jordan here. And don't mind me, I'm gonna have to stand on my bed. Who could forget this guy, O.J. Simpson? This thing is probably worth a decent amount. And don't mind my blood, guys. If you want that, just ask. No, just kidding. There's someone who has my heart right now, which I'll show you guys a couple pictures, because I'm like absolutely obsessed with how good they turned out. But for now, I don't know. But one second, guys. Alright, sorry. I had to check my Facebook because it's been like 20 minutes and I had like 10 notifications. But comment what topics you guys want me to talk about, because it's really hard for me to think about them. I was thinking about talking about this one, which I'm gonna have to return the book like in 4 or 5 days probably, because I probably already owe some money on it. But yeah, I'm gonna read up on that book and most likely make a topic about it. Well, a discussion video about it. But I love you guys. Please leave a comment, rate, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep chasing your dreams.